24-hour statewide total shutdown called by various rebel groups against merger of Manipur with the Indian Union on this day in 1949 affects normal life in Manipur. An unidentified person killed Trinamool Congress TMC leader in West Bengal. TMC and dead leader's son alleges BJP of conspiring the murder. Kurumjari, good afternoon. You're watching Tuesday After News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories at this afternoon: 24-hour statewide total shutdown called by various rebel groups like ASUK, Coordination Committee Korkom, a conglomerate of KCP, KYKL, Pripak Pro, RPF, UNLF and other underground outfits against the merger of Manipur with the Indian Union on this day in 1949 affected normal life in the state. The day is observed as the Black Day in protest against the Manipur merger agreement signed between Maharaja Bhadachandra of Manipur and Government of India at Shillong on September 21, 1949, which became effective from October 15 of the same year. Educational institutes and all business transactions, major markets including Kwanban Bazaar, Pauna Bazaar, Kangal Bazaar, MG Avenue, Yangon Popi Market remained closed. All pumps and banks were also shut down. Interstate and inter-district passenger vehicles remained off the roads except for few private vehicles applying on emergency. Government offices including New Secretariat and Old Secretariat were opened as usual. It may be recalled that Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren gave a surprise visit to the Secretariat offices during the last statewide general strike called by proscribed groups on September 21st and checked the attendance of employees in the offices. The Chief Minister then warned of stringent action against those government employees who miss office duties during bunds and strikes. An intense gunfight occurred between two factions of proscribed Jelengrong United Front JUF in None district last night, killing one cadre and injuring two others. Impact News sources said that the incident occurred in between Subung Leshok and Taulingpung village under Kopum police station at around midnight. The deceased person is identified as Abia Puimui from Puchui village and the two injured are Santosh from Longmai Part 1 None and Thomas from Rangjung village. Kopum police team has rushed to the crime scene. Manipuri diasporas at Nagariada in Agartala have accorded a warm reception to the expedition team from Manipur who went to trace ancestral roots of Meiteis in Tripura. Senior citizens of the area interacted with the team comprising of professors and students of Manipuri Department, Manipur College. Writer L. Biramangal presented his book titled Mahadev Giwari Amasung Magtharaba Abir to professors of the college at the reception organized by Takhel Leima Tengbanglok, a platform of Meitei women folks in Tripura yesterday. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on alleged BJP pre-planned murder of Trinamool Congress TMC leader in West Bengal today. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching After News. A Trinamool Congress TMC leader, Vasudev Mondal, was killed by unknown men in East Manipur district of West Bengal on Monday. Police said that Mondal, ex-Panchayat Pradhan of Bakcha Gram Panchayat, was killed using sharp-edged weapons. The incident reportedly occurred at around 2 p.m. at Ayangkiarana village when he was coming back from his daughter's house. TMC MP Divyendu Adhikari and deceased Mondal's son Anup Mondal claimed that this could be BJP's pre-planned conspiracy. Agitated locals in East Midnapur staged a protest for over 3 hours and blocked the highway from Moyana to Balai Panda. An account holder at the Punjab Maharashtra Cooperative PMC Bank who had over 90 lakh rupees with the troubled bank died in Mumbai on Monday. He died of a heart attack hours after attending a protest by distressed customers of the bank outside a Mumbai court. Sources said that 51-year-old Sanjay Gulati from Oshiwara went for a protest march outside a city court on Monday morning and had been under stress because of his deposit being stuck. Depositors will hold a peaceful candlelight march this evening. The crisis at the cooperative bank was set off after real estate firm HIDL defaulting on loans from PMC Bank worth Rs 4,355 crore. The PMC Bank has been placed under directions by the Reserve Bank of India since last month, wherein depositors' withdrawals have been capped. The central bank on Monday raised withdrawal limit for account holders of PMC Bank to Rs 40,000 from earlier withdrawal limit of Rs 25,000. Worded depositors of the bank, which has disposed of over Rs 11,000 crore, have been protesting across Mumbai, made Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman last week after they protested before her press conference. She had subsequently urged the RBI governor to look into the concerns of the customers. National carrier Air India made history today by becoming the first airline in the world to use a pilot-controlled semi-robotic aircraft tractor as alternate taxiing equipment on an Airbus A320. Called a taxi bot, the tractor was developed by Israel Aerospace Industries in partnership with a French company and successfully towed a commercial Air India flight carrying passengers from Delhi to Mumbai to the runway for takeoff. The taxi bot can tow aircraft from parking bays to the runway while the plane's engines are switched off. According to its manufacturers, this saves 85% of the fuel the plane will normally use at that time. It can also be used to tow planes after they have landed, although Air India intends to use them for departing flights only. In addition, the taxi bot is also expected to help cut down on CO2 emissions as well as drop noise pollution levels by as much as 60%. A total of 40 taxi bots will be deployed at airports across the country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people in the country and aboard in his Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio on 27th of this month at 11 a.m., which is also the day of Diwali. The Prime Minister urged the people to share insightful ideas for Mann Ki Baat in MyGov Open Forum or on Namo app or to dial the toll-free number 1800-11-7800 to record a message in either Hindi or English. People can also give a missed call on 1922 and follow the link received in SMS to directly give their suggestions. Some of the recorded messages may become a part of the broadcast. Now the sports news. National Sub-Junior and Cadet Judo Championship 2019 kicked off at the indoor hall of Komalampak Sports Complex today. Manipur Judo Association organized the event under the aegis of International Judo Federation and Judo Federation of India. Altogether, 1,200 judo players from across the country are participating in the championship. 99 boys and 109 girls are competing in sub-junior category of the championship today on the first day. Their results are expected by around 5 this evening. Indian shuttler Priyanshu Rajwat claimed the men's single title at the Bahrain International Series Badminton at Isa Town last night. 17-year-old Rajawat beat top seed Jason Anthony Ho Siu from Canada in the finals by 16-21, 21-7, 21-12 in the summit class. Top-seeded Indian mixed double pair of Juhi Devgan and Venkat Gaurav Prasad also finished at the top. They defeated Thailand's Panawa Thirapanidam and Kanayat Suchoi Chom 21-18, 21-16 in 34 minutes to back the gold medal. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. 24-hour statewide total shutdown called by various rebel groups against merger of Manipur with the Indian Union on this day in 1949 affects normal life in Manipur. An unidentified person killed Trinamool Congress TMC leader in West Bengal. TMC and dead leader's son alleges BJP of conspiring the murder.